Listen, I'm glad everybody is here. My name is Najah Lee. I am the owner, the visionary, and the face of For Your Lens. For Your Lens, by definition, is the act of viewing obstacles as opportunities for solutions, part one. Part two is the creative practice of freedom that opens the mind to all things art. So what we do is we think that everything is a possibility to grow, to build upon, and to create. Okay? We create with intention, we create with integrity, and we create to serve a bigger purpose that's bigger than us. Okay? For instance, not for profit. Not for profit is the idea, is the practice of you as a creator taking back your creation, not selling out, not selling short. You can't be bought, you can't be purchased, and you can't be commodified. That's what not-for-profit is. It's not about quickly selling yourself in exchange for a currency, but what you're doing is you're giving back with your art, and then if you reap the reward from your art, that's one thing. But your art serves a purpose, and your art is planting a seed into the universe and how we operate. It's not feeding back into the things that take from us. We are adding to. We're not takers, we're givers. We're not takers, we're givers. Okay? So that's not for profit. Okay? So that's the purpose of For Your Lens. And what we do is, like I said, we bridge the gap between art and business. I'm so grateful that all of you have tuned in by way of Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Caffeine, wherever you at and however you tuning in. I'm glad you're here. Please support however you know how. Share, like, subscribe, tell a friend, tell somebody to come back to the store and buy something, because it's our grand opening. We got 30% off. So this is going to be rare, y'all. This is going to be rare, y'all. But 30% off is a big deal. So take a gander, take a browse through the website, load up the cart, because any purchases over $50, any orders over $50 gets you free shipping. So here you go. You got discounts, you got free shippings, and the first 100 orders gets placed into a raffle. The raffle will have a live drawing on the For Your Lens Instagram account. The person who wins that drawing gets $100. Wow, about $100. All you got to do is, really spend about $15. Now I want you to spend over $50, because that's where the savings are, because that's where the free shipping is. So it pays you to spend a little, but also it may pay you specifically to spend a little, because if you win a drawing, the whole purchase may be paid for. So that's crazy. So go ahead. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you take a look at the site. Make sure you provide feedback, questions, or anything that you may have. If you just want to say hi, show your love, show your appreciation, go follow ForYourLens.com. Go follow For Your Lens on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. Make sure you follow me. My name is Najah_Lee. That's NAJAH_LEE. Follow me on all accounts. I got y'all. I appreciate y'all for being here. Make sure you continue to free your lens, free your mind, free your vision, free your heart, and do all that good stuff. You know what it is. Hey, it's Nasty Najah in the building. I appreciate y'all. For Your Lens. What up?